Good day, good evening, good afternoon. This is Alex Haigh with EXP and the Haigh Group at the Treasure Coast. Today we're going to be going over buyers out there. There's a lot of uncertainty, but I'm going to bring you some numbers that I think are going to be very helpful for you to make a decision to help you with your purchase. Stay tuned. All right, so there's a lot of uncertainty out there. There's a lot of unknown. The interest rates are double what they were this time last year. So we're having a lot of conversations with buyers out there saying, hey, maybe I should wait. Totally understand. There's a lot of uncertainty. In uncertainty, there's an old English saying, when in doubt, do nout. Nout is nothing. That being said, if you have a dominant buying motive where you need to move and or you need to sell, I wouldn't wait. This is why I say that, because we're going to dig into some data here, okay? And looking at the numbers, I want you to see that really we're in pretty close to a buyer's market here right now. So if we look at this graph, and you've seen this graph here before of the inventory going up, right? So you have the 1,528, that's total properties on the market. Now you have 3,109 properties, 3,109 properties that went under agreement. So if you look at that from a perspective of inventory, right? If we look at it, 3,000 units, 15,000 units, that's about 5 months of inventory, because if 3,000 units are going under agreement per month and there's 15,000, that would take 5 months. So that's around 5 months of inventory. I want you to think of it from that perspective. Now, moving on, I think that this next graph, these two next graphs should be very telling for you. It looks like prices have actually started to level. So if you look at the average price per square foot, you'll find that it's at $355. Now, remember, this goes all the way from Miami up to Indian River County. I'm just showing you all of those properties, the average price per square foot. But I think from a macro perspective, it shows you bringing the low price properties and the high price properties. And that average has kind of hung in a pretty good range here. We're at 1122. The numbers for November just came in, and that's $355 a square foot. The previous month was $374, then it was $355, it was $373. So you see it kind of hanging there. So buyers, it looks like values are staying the same. Now, this is what I want you to see. This is the third graph we're looking at, average days on the market, and then sale price to original listing price. You can see the bar going up from 26 days on the market, 622, all the way up to 1122, 46 days on the market. So it's up, considerably, well, about 30%. Let's say. Now, the other line that I want you to look at here is the sale price to original listing price. So when that says 91 there, that's 91% of the asking price that it actually sold at. So what I'm trying to show you here is that as a buyer, the prices or the values are about staying the same. Yet people are actually able to write offers. So when you're out with your agent, look at that listing price and say, okay, if it's at 100,000 and it's valued at 100,000, or maybe a little bit more, maybe it's valued at a little bit less, maybe it's valued at 95, but it's priced at 100, we'll go and make an offer for 87,000. You see, I'm trying to give you a percentage, so that would be 87% of 100,000 is 87,000. So looking at those three graphs of the inventory, the pendings, but then also looking at average price per square foot sold, and then the listing price to sale price should help you feel confident to go out there and make some offers. It looks like the interest rates are going to continue to potentially go up. We're already talk of the Fed coming in at the third quarter of next year to potentially lower interest rates again. This is not going to stick around, in my opinion. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Get a great agent, go out there and make offers, understand what value is. A good agent will show you what value is, and then make offers, make lower offers, go and make a bunch of offers, find a great property. And I think that this is a great opportunity for buyers out there. Sellers, you better be priced right, because these buyers see that they can make offers. Hope this is helpful, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas, and I'm looking forward to a great 2023. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.